Are you a highly skilled foreigner who's looking for a job in Germany but having difficulties finding a job from abroad? There is a visa which allows you to come to Germany and start looking for a job inside the country. So pay attention now. My name is Manuel, and together with One, I created Growing Abroad to help highly skilled foreigners with a university degree to find jobs in Germany, empowering them to make their dream of living in Europe come true, and of course, to learn about the German culture. And in this video, you will learn everything about how to get a job seeker visa as a highly skilled foreigner with an academic degree. Actually, in Germany, life changes dramatically at the moment. Never before there were so many open positions like today, 1.74 million. And by 2035, there could be a shortage of 5 million workers. Business experts and politicians in Germany agree that we urgently need qualified workers from abroad, 400,000 each year. Let's say you are a highly skilled foreigner with a university degree and you come from a country outside the European Union and you want to live and work in Germany. The big question now, how to get a visa? There are two visa options where you can start looking for a job from your home country, and once you've found a job, you can come to Germany and work there. These visa options are the European Blue Card and the work visa for qualified professionals. You will find videos for these types of visa in our channel. But what happens if you are having difficulties finding a job in Germany from abroad? Or you want to look for jobs in Germany inside the country? Guess what? There is another visa option for that. The job seeker visa. This video will be all about the job seeker visa. I will guide you through every step now. But very important, when you are having difficulties finding a job abroad, then it is not always the best option to apply for a job seeker visa. In most cases, it doesn't matter if you're looking for a job while being in Germany or outside of Germany. When you are having difficulties to find a job from abroad, the main reason is that you're not doing it right. Okay, let's say you decide to go to Germany and look for a job inside the country. In order to enter Germany, you will need the job seeker visa. With this visa, you will improve your chances of making contact with German employers and finding a job in Germany that matches your qualifications. So, but what are the benefits of the job seeker visa? Well, obviously, one important benefit is that you are already in the country when you find a job. Sometimes companies prefer that because then the process to start in a new job will be easier. Another benefit is that when you found a job, you can switch your job seeker visa to a normal residence permit without having to go back to your home country. In this case, you just need to make an appointment at the Foreigners Authority, bring all the required documents and apply for a residence permit, for example, the European Blue Card. And then you can start working in your new job. But how long do I have time to look for a job? Okay, the job seeker visa can only be issued up to 6 months. So you have half a year to look for a job inside of Germany. Unfortunately, you can't extend the job seeker visa. If you haven't found a job in 6 months, you have to go back to your home country. You can apply for a job seeker visa again after you spent the same time abroad that you spent in Germany. Now, I think all the big questions are answered. Let's get to the most interesting part, the steps you need to take to get a job seeker visa for Germany. The first step to get a job seeker visa is to check all the requirements if you can actually get a job seeker visa. But what are the requirements? The first requirement is that you have an academic degree or a vocational training. But in this video, I will only focus on people with an academic degree. The second requirement is that your degree is equivalent to a German degree. But how do you know if your degree is comparable to a German degree? If your degree is regulated in Germany, you have to go through the recognition process of your degree. Regulated professions are, for example, engineering and professions in the healthcare sector. Go on the website Annerkennung in Deutschland.de to find out about the recognition process. If your degree is not regulated in Germany, you just need to prove that your foreign academic qualification is equivalent to a German university degree. Non-regulated professions are, for example, IT professionals, mathematicians, or economists. Actually, most academic professions are not regulated. You can prove that your foreign academic degree is equivalent to a German university degree by getting positive results on the Anabin database. If you don't get any positive result on this database, you can request a statement of comparability from the Central Office for Foreign Education, SAP. in Bonn. Don't worry, this sounds more complicated than it actually is. If you have a higher degree from a good university in your home country, it is very likely that your degree is comparable to a German degree. And the third and last requirement to get a job seeker visa for people with an academic degree is that you are able to cover your costs of living during the time of your stay. You can prove that either in the form of a blocked bank account, or if you have friends or family inside of Germany who can guarantee your financial support during the time, you can submit a declaration of commitment. So these were the requirements to get a job seeker visa. If you meet all the requirements, it is time for step number 2. Step number 2 is to make an appointment at the German embassy of your home country. When you have an appointment, please prepare all the required documents. Don't forget anything, otherwise you will have to make another appointment. So the required documents are your passport, your proof of the recognized degree, your proof of the financial situation, and the visa application form. Put it all together in a structured way and you're safe. Basically like a German already. Step number 3 is to apply for the visa. So you show up at the appointment with all the required documents and pay a fee of 75 euro in your local currency. That's all. Then you probably have to wait a while. This can take a few days up to several weeks. I know this can be annoying, but it is how it is. So while waiting, you can already research about health insurance in Germany, because you need to have sufficient health insurance coverage before you're coming to Germany. Once the job seeker visa is issued, you are ready for step number 4, entering Germany. So book your flight and plan your journey to Germany. Once you're in Germany, you can finally start looking for a job. But be aware that a job won't come automatically. You need to rock your job search now. Otherwise, the entire process was useless. Many highly skilled foreigners actually already tried, but many also failed. There is a high demand, but they don't take everybody. So you need to be perfectly prepared for your entire job search. The way of introducing yourself in companies in Germany is very different from your home country. If you don't know the exact strategies and methods, you will fail. You need to convince in paper 120%. You need to know the tricks to look for the right jobs, and most important, you need to know how to convince German hiring managers. It doesn't matter how good your skills are. If you don't know these techniques, then you won't have a chance against your competitors. But don't worry, we from Growing Abroad help highly skilled foreigners with a university degree to get a job in Germany in 3 months. We are German career experts and already trained many other skilled foreigners to land their dream job. So just contact us to get to know us. Below the video you will find all the information how to reach us. We can't wait to hear from you and work with you. And to make this channel bigger so that we can make more videos like this, please like the video, and if you haven't done it, subscribe our channel. Every Friday there will be a new YouTube video. So see you next Friday. Auf Wiedersehen!